Welcome to the GPT Store Builder quick demo video. Here on dashboard you can see Create GPT option which can help you to create a new GPT. You can also browse GPT templates here easily. By pressing a single click you can find all red-hot trending GPT niches. You can also see how many GPTs created by you. You can also find the recent GPTs created by you. On right side you can find all high potential GPTs ideas for great conversion. Now click on Create GPT option and you will redirect it to our GPT Builder page. Here you can see many options to create a GPT like Create GPT from Basic, or you can use our GPT templates. You can find templates from all popular trending sections like travel, education, fitness, healthcare, etc. Just choose the template you want to create GPT about, and it will open in our exclusive GPT Builder. It will take some time to give you perfect result. Processing. Please wait. Loading your results. Working on it. Preparing your content. And bingo, your GPT is ready. It is already perfect, but here you can customize it according to your needs so it can tailor suited you. You can edit or customize every part of it, like GPT description, GPT image, conversation starters which can help user to start a chat, system instructions so your GPT is perfectly understand your goal, questions and answers, so you can create a perfect knowledge base. And you can add any questions if you want. Here is your template prompt which helps to improve your knowledge base. Now just create your knowledge base file by clicking on Generate Knowledge File. This will generate a comprehensive knowledge file using AI based on your current GPT configuration, including name, description, instructions, question and answer pairs, and prompts. And just wait some time to see the miracle. You can view your knowledge base. You can also edit parts of your generated GPTs like basic information, GPT profile image, GPT name. You can also use AI Content Finder for your GPT by just adding the prompt, target field, and length. You can also create images. Just adding prompt and import it to your GPT. Personality which helps define how your GPT should interact with users. Conversation starters. You can provide up to 10 example conversation starters for users. Knowledge base. Here you can edit or preview your created knowledge base or add a new one. You can also preview your created GPT. Just click on Save GPT and your GPT is saved. You can see all of your generated GPTs in My GPT section. View it and use it in your ChatGPT as your expert companion. Click on any starters and your knowledge journey is started. Now we are going back to our tool. Here you can download any part of your created GPTs. Now just click on Templates Library and you can find thousands of GPT templates with hundreds of hot niches. Just pick your favorite and it's ready to go live. If you want to create your own GPT, don't worry, you can create it within clicks. All you need to do, search your desired keyword and just wait for a while. Processing. Please wait. Loading your results. Working on it. Preparing your content. and your GPT is ready to roll in your desired niche. Customize it according to your needs if you want to add or update something, although it is perfect. You can view and edit all parameters of your created GPT. Just click on Save GPT when you're done editing and your GPT is ready to roll. You can also find which niche is favorite and trending right now in our Trending Niches section. Here you can find top 10 super hot trending niches currently trending and use them to create a GPT in any trending topic. Refresh it and find other trending niches. Just copy it and you can use it to generate a GPT. Thank you for watching the video.